Today, Elgato's Key Light was announced by the team and it's in a very, very different product for us, and we're really excited. And I kind of sort of wanted to give my audience just an unboxing of it, kind of sort of show how it works. I usually get a lot of questions when products come out, so I figured this might be cool to do for you guys, maybe answer a lot of questions. I always get questions about what comes in the box, what the directions look like, how simple is this to use. So right here is just me unboxing, showing you guys the instructions. It comes out. Looking at the light, I'm going to show you guys how thin it is. Super thin. Might help a lot of people out that are using studio boxes, lights, and all this other things. The team worked really hard on this, so we're super proud on this. Kudos to everybody that worked on this. I know a lot of people worked on this. So for me, it's something that I look forward to. Right here, you can actually see we have this branding that we've been using. It's like a little pattern. You can see on the 4K card, on the 60, 4K 60, and the HD 60 Pro, that pattern's on there. So this is another product that has that cool little pattern. The on, off, and reset right here is a different mounting little holes for you to actually use on the mount, which I'll show pretty soon. So if you want to hang it a certain way, to have your power switch a certain way, or to access it a certain way, or to hang a certain way, you be able to do that. So we try to do everything we can to, cover all aspects. The mount's pretty cool. The cool thing about this is I used to have 2 studio lights. Now I actually moved into a smaller office temporarily, so I had to get rid of my lights. But now I thought I would have to wait to a big office to use good lights, but now I can use Key Light, which just clamps onto my desk. So the mount's pretty cool. Your basic type mount, you're able to do 3 different levels, extensions. Just clamp it onto your desk, and then loosen it to extend it. You also can angle it a certain way if you want it to be facing down, flat, up a little bit, whatever the case may be, whatever you think would be best for your setup. I'm still messing with up, down, flat. Right now I'm kind of sort of at I think it's like a 15-20 degree angle in towards me. Again, just messing around with it, trying to see what I can do with the lighting wise. But again, solid product right there. But just showing everything to you guys. I really just want you guys to know what comes in a box, kind of answer all the questions. And also, I always get ask for comparison. I did this for green screen, so you probably see a composed small video of me showing off the light on Twitter, but for those that came from Twitter, this is the full breakdown and everything on the program and such. So let me know what you guys don't like. Let me know what you guys would think about the product in the comment section down below. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys my current setup and what I've been dealing with for the past 2 years, but now actually because Key Lights come out, I actually don't have this problem anymore. I used to have 2 studio lights, but I just didn't have the space for it, so when I moved into a smaller office, I ended up having to sacrifice actually good lighting. So I had to actually compromise and do a lot of different settings. And right now, it doesn't look that bad. The green screen works. I'm just darkening the face because the light's from above, but it's right above me. It's on the ceiling. But this actually took a lot of settings and stuff. So I'm actually going to show you guys what it looks like without the settings. This is it. When I change all the settings, this is actually what the light looks like when I move all the filters and all the hard work I did. So this isn't really ideal, right? But now that Key Light's out, that is changed. This is the control center for PC and Mac. Just click on this bad boy, click on turn on, and there you have it. Light is on. I'm actually going to turn off this light over here. Didn't make a difference. So I actually only have 1 light in front of me. I tried 2, it was just too bright for me. A lot of people might like 2, a lot of people might just like 1. I'm fine with 1. So what else can we do here? So you could do cool, you could do warmth, you can see it changing. Again, warmth doesn't work too well for my setting. Also doesn't really help with green screening. As you can see, it seems like I actually have it usually at 40-ish, 40%. And super cool. That's just the way I like to be seen, I guess. But doesn't stop there. No, you cannot control this from your Stream Deck. So we could go super bright. Woo! We could go super warm. Whoa! We could go super cool. What else? Super dim. And you can actually power it on and off from there. Now, that's amazing control, right? There's a lot of places you can't do that much control in one product, but it doesn't stop there. No, my friends, it does not. If you have any questions or concerns about Key Light, let me know. But control it from your phone live. Like this is, let me see if I can get this going. So warm, it did it, no. I have it, do I have it? Yep, I have it. All right, warm. Woohoo, cool. Look at that, flawless. So if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. I'm only using one light right now and I'm totally fine with it. If you feel like you need two, by all means, but one light, Stream Deck integration, the command center on PC is pretty flawless. You can control all the lights, so you can just name them different things and have different settings. The other cool thing is you could actually do a multiple actions on Stream Deck. So say you want it being super bright, warm to a certain degree, and on, then you can just press, once you do the multi-actions, you press one button and it'll do all those three commands for you. So super versatile. I love it. You guys seen just previously how thin it is, the actual product. Let me know what you guys think. On sale right now, and you can find the link either above if you're watching on Twitter and below if you're watching on YouTube and everywhere else. So take it easy, guys, and let me know what you guys think. Again, hoping that a lot of content creators appreciate this product. The team did a lot of good work, a really good job at it. I love it. To me, it just blows me away. I came from studio lights and this and that and changing and umbrellas and boxes and all this other stuff and just too much, and now it's just simplified into an actual a great product, I think. So let me know what you guys' thoughts are and enjoy if you get it. Take it easy, guys.